free fridge. Is it trash or storage? Previous owner says there's a little fan up here that's bad, and he don't want to deal with it because he is 88 years old. Might be worth fixing. Plug it in, see what it'll do. Maybe nothing. Oh yeah, the plug came out of the wall. There are lights on. I don't hear a compressor. I hear a fan, but I don't hear a compressor. Well, it says give it 24 hours for adjustments. So I'm gonna let it sit and see if it cools. So the compressor just came on. 3 minutes. The fan is on. Maybe there's hope for it. Well, it's working. I'm gonna take this nut driver and I'm gonna take off that panel right there. Yeah, so them little quarter drive screws does show that there's a tiny little fan there. Looking inside of that piece, it looks like it operates that little door. So I wonder if that's like a servo instead of a fan. So I'm gonna cut this here and get that foam apart so I can take it out. So here is the little piece pulled out of there. I'm gonna look up these numbers and see what that is. So I wanted to take off the little motor here. There we go. So yeah, it just opens this door to let more of the freezer air in. I wonder if I plug this thing in, if I can help it work by moving this. So I'm going to put the screws back in and plug it in, see if I can manually get that little peg there to move. Yeah, this little thing is working. It just clicked. You see it pulling it back in now? There we go. Well, I'm just gonna put it back together. Looks like it's moving back out again. Clicked again. Maybe it was just jammed, me pushing that in freed it. Let's put it back together. All right, got it back in place. I'm gonna let it run. I'll get the temperature gauge out tomorrow and see if it's cold. Yeah, I can't wait. That's 3. Moment of truth. $62. Well, it's 76 outside. And it's only been a couple hours, so there's hope that it will work again. So I'll check it again in the morning, but don't be afraid to take your fridge apart. If you see the compressor's working and you can hear the fan working, it's just not getting cold, it could be as simple as a $25 part.